Okay. Okay. Where are you currently located right now? All right. All right. So let's look at a time when we can connect so that we can get you started. How does that sound? All right. Okay. So what does your availability look like today? What does your availability look like today? All right. So, okay. So did Boniface go over the pricing with you? Did Boniface go over the pricing with you?
Yeah.
All right. So when are you ready to make that investment so that we can, make things happen and crush your business?
We talk about two, so I don't know which one.
So which one are you looking to go with?
I was looking on the website.
Okay. Which one are you looking to go with?
The website.
The website? Are you looking to work with us in person, or are you looking more so to get our program? Yeah, okay, nice. That's great. That's great. So did he tell you that it was only gonna run you $5,800 for that investment?
No.
All right. Yes, ma'am.
Website, the e-commerce, and
So what that's gonna cover is that you're going to work with us personally, right? You're gonna work with us personally, and we're going to set that up for you. And also, you're going to get that value of working with Boniface, and then you're also going to be put into our program and our mastermind group as well.
So guys, when you're on the calls with these people and these clients and you want to close a deal, you have to understand what the client wants before you can actually sell them.
Okay,
right?
so when are you
understand what the client wants first, then you can be able to sell them on that product and service. But if you don't know what they want, you can't really sell them on that product and service. When they tell you what they want, what do they have? What do they have to offer to the market? When you know what they have to offer to the market, you can be able to sell them different stuff. A lot of salespeople, they don't really let the clients talk. Let the clients talk and let them to really tell you what they want out of your service. Then you can really be able to use that against them. And the clients, when you tell them what they want and when you have them talk, they tell you everything. So you just want to be cool and let them really talk about everything you want, and you'll be able to close a deal. So right now he's closing the clients for actually $10,000, and off one phone call, and we was able to master this. We sell so many clients on one phone call for $10,000, and that's what he's doing right now. He's closing the clients on one phone call for $10,000. And watch how I'm gonna take over the phone, and I will show you guys how you can do it too. So let me take over the phone. Is she still there?
Oh, we're about to get her started.
Yeah.
So you want to call her back?
What'd she say?
All right, call her.
Grab my phone.
So she's ready.
Hey, how are you doing? This is Boniface. I was actually recording some content right now, and I see your call. I have my executive picked up the phone. We talked the last time. So are you trying to do the online training, or are you trying to do the or are you trying to because we talked about e-commerce or your coaching. So what are you trying to do? Oh, you're trying to do the e-commerce training, right?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. You're in your store is in Lawrenceville, right?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So what we're gonna do, because we can sit down and talk, we can go over how you can scale it with Facebook ads and stuff. So how soon do you want to get started today?
Yeah, because I want to do that as soon as possible. When that works, then I can do the coaching. Because right now, I'm going to tell you the truth, I don't have that money right now to do that. I just moved here, so I try to promote the business first. When the business is going, and then I can go forward to the coaching with you.
Okay, perfect.
The second one he was talking about, like, you go get to know how you do your business and stuff like that.
Yeah, that's more. Yeah, exactly. And that's a lot profitable because the profit margin is a lot higher.
Yeah. All right. Right now, I don't have that. So.
Yeah, which is fine. You can start with the you can start with the e-commerce first. So how much do you have to invest in yourself? Yeah.
How much is that?
Did he tell you, do you want to work with me or you just want to take the course?
So which one is this?
Cause you could do it. You could come to Buckhead. Cause I'm in Buckhead. You can come to Buckhead and we can work together, or and I can set everything up for you so we can get it done fast. Or you could just take my course and set it up for yourself. You get what I'm saying? So you have either option.
So which one is cheaper right now?
So which one is cheap? I mean, which one I feel like you would get more value of because you're new to it. You get what I'm saying? You're new to it. So I'd rather want you to come do it with me so we can just set it up so you don't have to figure it out yourself. You get what I'm saying? Because you're still going to have questions.
Right.
Correct? So let's do this. Since you're trying to do the coaching too, I can do the, did he go over the pricing with you?
The coaching last time you told me it was 10, right?
Yeah, the coaching is 10, but we can do the e-commerce stuff. We can do 5,800 and I can do the whole e-commerce stuff and we can set everything up for you. How does that sound?
E-commerce right now. Okay. That don't sound good for me right now.
Why is that?
Because I don't have that right now.
Okay. What makes, don't you have your store?
Yeah, I have my store. I just opened it. It's new, you know.
Oh, you just opened it in Lawrenceville.
In Lawrenceville, you know, I used to live in Minnesota and then I moved here. And I'm very new here, so I don't really get customers like that right now. I'm not getting business right now.
So because, oh, hold on. Hey, grab my charger, my phone about to die. Yeah, I think my phone's, hold on, grab my charger. So what we can do, we can do the online course. You can just take the online course. Then just take the online course. Then when you see the value and when you save up, then we can do it to work directly together, okay? Because I think that would be the best option for you. And that's only $997.
Okay.
Yeah, so let's do that, okay?
Okay.
So what I'm gonna do, so do you wanna do that?
Yeah, I don't have your price now. I need something that can bring traffic to my business.
Perfect. So have patience and watch the course content. And I'm gonna send you over the link right now so you can submit your payment. As soon as you submit your payment, I'll join you to the group and everything, okay?
Okay.
Any question?
Don't know right now.
Okay, perfect. I'm gonna send you over the link right now.
Okay.
Alright, bye. That's how you close. So you see, guys, I mean, when you're talking to these clients, right? You have some clients, you have to have different products, because if you have a product for 10 grand for them to work with you directly, 10 grand, and they can't afford that, you have to have something else so they can be able to give them that right away so you can make a sale. Because you don't want to make your call just a waste, right? You don't want to be just giving people your time for no reason. You want to be able to maximize your time. So by you having different products, you can be able to maximize your time. So like that call, it took us like what, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, but that was $1,000. We made $1,000 off that call because we have a product and service to help that client with. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I do videos like this on sales and business and everything. I'll see you guys in my next video.